Hi everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art tutorial. Starting off here on a sheet of Canson watercolor paper, making some marks. We're going to attempt to do just an abstract piece. Maybe with a flower intention. I'm not sure. Maybe flowers. I don't know. Right now we're just laying down some color and some resist. Let's come in with some light washes of green. Kind of get started. Maybe a little bit of light Payne's gray. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I think I want to make some lines. I'm having one of those days where I didn't know what I wanted to make, and I didn't really want to make another landscape. So I thought, well, let's just goof around and see what we can make really quickly, and it's different than what we normally make. So you're kind of getting my experiment today. I want some darker shades through here. I don't want it to get too dark though. Let's come in and blot some of that away. I don't like what that was doing. Okay, let's come in with a bigger brush, or maybe, yeah, let's come with a bigger brush. I've got this really lovely magenta here. I'm just gonna pop in. I guess we're doing flowers. Floral shapes. I don't know what they might look like. Are you feeling me? Are you feeling what I'm putting down? Maybe. Let's come in with some orange. I feel like I need some orange in there too. So we're gonna drop those in. I don't want it to get too busy. What I might want to do is take a bit of this tree samples stencil. Let's make some marks through here. Probably should have waited for that to dry a little bit, but I'm impatient. That's kind of different. Let's let this dry. I want some, oh, maybe that's too wet. A little drier brush, a little dry brush. I gotta get something on the brush. Sort of like these little darker bits. Might need some more Payne's gray. And then I just want some darker bits through here, I think. Okay, I've got a little bit of green yellow that I want to add in and some spots. Almost leaf shapes, maybe. Maybe not. Just kind of want to drop a few of those in. Some spots. Not really liking that. Maybe a little bit more of that magenta coming through in some spots, a little bolder. through there, a little bit up here, down here. Oh, I like these little dots we got going on over here. So that's more of those. Let's come in with a little bit of this Caran d'Ache, or I'm sorry, this is the Lyra. I just want to add some marks and some texture to kind of bring out a little bit of that color. Maybe a little bit of this orange as well. Just kind of add in some little pops of texture. Or I maybe need some, maybe a little bit of green. This is a fun way to add marks too. I don't want a lot more. Maybe it needs just a little bit of, maybe that's not the right color. That's my little, it needs just a little bit of some yellows here and there. Oh, that looks a little detached over there. It's just sort of hanging out by himself. Let's make that a little something else. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do. I think that might be it. I just wanted to play. Quick play today. We can look at it with a mat, which covers up a lot of it, but pretty fun. That was fun. I enjoyed that. I might need some more, maybe black marks, maybe. I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it for now. I think I like it better without the mat. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over there to see the next video, and I'll see you tomorrow for something maybe a little even different. Thanks so much. Bye.